Neem leaves have been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine systems, particularly in South Asia, where the neem tree is often referred to as the village pharmacy. Derived from the neem tree, Azadirachta indica, these leaves are packed with powerful bioactive compounds, antioxidants, and antimicrobial properties that contribute to a wide range of health benefits. While modern science continues to explore the full potential of neem, its reputation as a natural remedy has remained strong for generations. From supporting healthy skin to boosting immunity, neem leaves offer numerous advantages that make them a valuable addition to a wellness routine. Whether consumed in moderation, used as a herbal tea, or applied topically, neem leaves have become increasingly popular among those seeking natural health solutions. Here are 10 incredible health benefits of neem leaves and why they continue to be celebrated around the world. Number 1. Supports a strong immune system. One of the most remarkable benefits of neem leaves is their ability to support the body's natural immune defenses. Neem contains a variety of antioxidants and plant compounds that help the body combat oxidative stress and harmful free radicals. By reducing oxidative damage, neem may help the immune system function more effectively. Regular consumption of neem leaves in traditional practices is believed to help the body resist common infections and maintain overall wellness. The antimicrobial properties found in neem may also assist the body in defending against certain bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that can negatively impact health. Number 2. Promotes healthy skin. Neem leaves have long been associated with clear, healthy skin. Their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make them a popular natural remedy for various skin concerns, including acne, blemishes, and irritation. When applied topically in the form of pastes, extracts, or infused water, neem leaves may help reduce redness, soothe inflamed skin, and support the healing process. The antioxidants present in neem can also help protect skin cells from environmental stressors, contributing to a healthier and more youthful appearance. Many skincare products include neem as a key ingredient because of its reputation for cleansing and purifying the skin naturally. Number 3. Helps maintain oral health. Neem has been used for oral hygiene for centuries. In many cultures, people traditionally chewed neem twigs as a natural toothbrush. The leaves themselves also contain compounds that may contribute to healthier gums and teeth. The antibacterial properties of neem can help reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, which may contribute to plaque formation, bad breath, and gum issues. Some mouthwashes and toothpaste formulations now incorporate neem extracts because of their potential benefits for maintaining oral cleanliness and supporting gum health. Regular oral care combined with neem-based products may help create a healthier environment within the mouth. Number 4. Supports healthy blood sugar levels. Neem leaves have attracted significant attention for their potential role in supporting healthy blood sugar management. Certain compounds found in neem may influence glucose metabolism and help the body utilize insulin more effectively. Traditional medicinal systems have often used neem as part of natural approaches to maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. While neem should never replace prescribed medical treatments, some studies suggest that it may offer supportive benefits when combined with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Individuals interested in using neem for blood sugar support should consult a healthcare professional, especially if they are already taking medications for diabetes. Number 5. Aids digestive health. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being, and neem leaves may provide valuable support in this area. Traditionally, neem has been used to help maintain digestive comfort and promote gut health. Its antimicrobial properties may help maintain a balanced environment within the digestive tract, while its natural compounds can contribute to digestive efficiency. Some people consume neem tea or supplements as part of their efforts to support digestion and overall gastrointestinal wellness. By helping to maintain a healthy digestive system, neem leaves may indirectly contribute to improved nutrient absorption and overall vitality. Number 6. Supports liver function. The liver plays a critical role in filtering toxins and maintaining metabolic health. Neem leaves are believed to possess protective properties that may support healthy liver function. Research suggests that certain antioxidants found in neem may help shield liver cells from oxidative stress and environmental toxins. By supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes, Neem may contribute to overall wellness and help the body manage daily exposure to harmful substances. A healthy liver is essential for energy production, digestion, and numerous other bodily functions, making this one of Neem's most noteworthy benefits. Number 7. Possesses powerful antimicrobial properties. One of Neem's most celebrated qualities is its broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity. Neem leaves contain natural compounds that may help inhibit the growth of various bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. Because of these properties, Neem has traditionally been used for cleansing wounds, maintaining skin health, and supporting general hygiene. The plant's natural defense mechanisms have made it a valuable resource in traditional medicine for centuries. The antimicrobial potential of Neem continues to be studied by researchers seeking natural alternatives and complementary approaches to health maintenance. Number 8. Supports heart health. Heart health is a major concern worldwide, and Neem leaves may offer supportive benefits in this area. The antioxidants present in Neem help combat oxidative stress, which is known to contribute to cardiovascular issues over time. Some research suggests that Neem may help support healthy circulation and contribute to maintaining normal cholesterol levels already within a healthy range. By helping reduce oxidative damage and supporting overall cardiovascular wellness, Neem may play a positive role in a heart-conscious lifestyle. Of course, heart health depends on many factors, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management, and routine medical care. Number 9. May help reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by the body's immune system, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a variety of health concerns. Neem leaves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties that may help support the body's natural balance. Traditional practitioners have often used Neem preparations to help ease discomfort associated with inflammatory conditions. Modern scientific investigations continue to examine how Neem's bioactive compounds may influence inflammatory pathways within the body. By helping manage excessive inflammation, Neem leaves may contribute to overall comfort and long-term wellness. Number 10. Supports healthy hair and scalp. Neem leaves are widely used in natural hair care because of their potential benefits for the scalp and hair. Their antimicrobial and soothing properties may help maintain a cleaner, healthier scalp environment. Neem-infused oils, shampoos, and rinses are commonly used to address dryness, itchiness, and scalp irritation. A healthy scalp provides a better foundation for strong, vibrant hair growth. Additionally, the antioxidant content of Neem may help protect hair follicles from environmental stressors, contributing to healthier-looking hair over time. This makes Neem a popular ingredient in many traditional and modern hair care products. Neem leaves have earned their reputation as one of nature's most versatile wellness resources. From supporting immunity and promoting healthy skin to aiding digestion and helping maintain oral health, the benefits of Neem extend across multiple aspects of well-being. Their rich supply of antioxidants, antimicrobial compounds, and anti-inflammatory properties makes them a valuable component of many traditional health practices. While Neem leaves offer promising health benefits, they should be used responsibly and in moderation. Individuals with existing medical conditions, those taking medications, and pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating Neem into their routine. As interest in natural health solutions continues to grow, Neem remains a fascinating example of how traditional remedies can complement modern approaches to wellness. Whether enjoyed as a tea, applied topically, or used in personal care products, Neem leaves continue to demonstrate why they have been valued for centuries and are still celebrated today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.